In Toronto's Annex, this well-known coffee chain is picking up and moving out. And although this might be one of the most recognizable of shops, it's just one of the many changes going on here. And typical of Annex residents, their optimism is unwavering.
Well, the only one that I actually noticed is Tim Hortons, which was kind of exciting actually, because that means maybe that a smaller business can come in.
Businesses have been thriving here for years, but between Spadina and Bathurst, we counted 6 shops that have closed down. Like this massive space that used to house a record store. And this restaurant has closed down. This space has been empty for years. Even this long-standing pub has closed down. As to why has got some people wondering.
Maybe rents are going up too high. It's a pretty expensive area to live in, so probably the rent went up too, and businesses just can't stay afloat.
Even with these changes, this business owner remains positive.
This year the winter was really mild, and now the spring is coming and we are getting good business now.
With warmer weather approaching, the Annex can expect to see a boom. Well, the cause for why all of the shops are closing down is unclear. What is clear is that a vibrant community continues to live here in the Annex. Jonathan Zettel, Humber News.